Today I'm going to be showing you the new site themes menu and all the cool things you can do with it. So on the old site, when you wanted to change the color of something, you can press this little icon, do customize design, you can go to the fill, change it out, and then you can press this change, and then you can basically change it to whatever you want, and it would kind of universally change everything. However, with text, it would not work like that. So you'd literally have to go to each individual thing or element, text element, and change the font to whatever you wanted. Now you don't really have to do that on Editor X, because all you have to do is open up this site themes menu right here, and then you have all of your text elements right here that you can edit. So you can press like heading 1, and then you can say like, you can change it here and then apply theme, and it'll automatically update across your site. So let's check it out. Okay, so as you can see, I changed all of the fonts just from right here, from this text themes, which is so cool. So as we scroll down the website, you can kind of see it's updated most of the text elements for you. Now, of course, it's going to miss a few here and there, but you can always change those. But it helps save time from having to click every single text element and changing it individually. Same thing goes for the color. So if you click the site themes menu and go to colors, here is where you can basically change the colors for the site. So let's go ahead and select this, and then we'll select red. And you can kind of see it's already updated most of the text here for us, and the background's changed and everything's changed with it. So that's pretty cool. Of course, there's going to be some elements like this where it didn't change the text, because maybe like this is like maybe like a button or something that isn't linked to the site themes quite yet. So if you did learn anything in this quick little video, be sure to press that subscribe button and ring the bell. If you have any questions about Editor X or Wix or anything like that, be sure to leave them in the comments, and I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. Thank you so much. See you all in the next one.